This is the life of wild animals. Some are predators, some are prey. A zebra has been caught and been released, escaped. The lion couldn't escape the crocodile. The crocodile is fighting. Yeah, this is swimming. It's swimming to come out to find the prey. It's going to have the food. There is impala, the food, new food, the food escaped. Escaped. Hippo is the defender. The man is escaping hippo. He couldn't. Yeah, tiger. Tiger is coming. It is not tiger, it is leopard. Leopard. Leopard is diving into the river and then catching crocodile. It has been caught by the leopard. Yeah, the giant animal. It is elephant. Has been caught by the crocodile. Crocodile has been kicked by the mother elephant. The mother elephant is fighting. Yeah, the trunk of the mother is being caught by the elephant. Someone is doing something in order to just pretend the croc is going to have something to eat. Wow, the crocodile itself has been caught by the shark. It is live of water. They're live in the water. Yeah, it is tiger swimming. Yeah, tiger is to catch impala. Impala is escaping. Tiger are a lion. It is tiger. It is tiger. Yeah. Leopard caught crocodile. Yeah, this is cat. Even domestic cat fighting snake. Fighting the man. Fighting the snake. Jumping in order to escape. Cheetah. It is the fastest animal ever. We are just having in the world. Cheetah. Tiger against torture. Yeah, like now, cat. It is cat. 𝗱𝗲𝗄𝗆. Scorpion, cat, rat. Rat has been cut. Yeah, bear against cat. How cat can do this? That is monkey. Monkey to fight the cat. This is tiger. Tiger is fighting to catch some animal. What is that animal? I don't know the name of that animal. The name of the animal. Ask him the name of animal. Who is this? What is the name of this animal? I don't know. But the tiger is wandering here and hyena is eating alive. Deborah has been eaten alive. Wow. It couldn't do anything against hyena. Hyena is catching it in order to kill Deborah. Deborah is going to be killed easily without fighting. He's not fighting. He's not fighting. It is simply giving itself to the hyena. Hyena is doing something. Yeah, it is. Yeah. What do you mean this? Why it is not escaping? Why Deborah is not escaping? What does it is doing? What does it do? Why you are not escaping? Finally, zebra escaped. Final. It is final. Yeah.